Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting credentials and tools in place so you can dive in fast. Create a Kaggle account and enable two-step login. Once done, choose whether to work locally or in kernels. Install Python, pip, and Jupyter only if you need local control, otherwise open a new kernel. Next, pick one beginner dataset or competition and read its evaluation metric so you know exactly what success looks like. Now you'll structure a repeatable workflow. Start by exploring the dataset and existing public kernels to learn common approaches and gotchas. Then create an exploratory notebook, load data, inspect shapes and types, visualize distributions, and build a simple baseline model to establish a performance floor. Make sure to version control code or use Kaggle's kernel versions. Once you find improvements, save iterations and record parameters so you can compare changes and reproduce results. Finish by turning your best notebook into a clean pipeline. Consolidate preprocessing, retrain the model on full training data, and generate a properly formatted submission file. Submit and monitor the leaderboard. Once you get a score, compare against top public kernels to find incremental fixes. If things go wrong, first check column types and missing values. Mismatched D-types or NS often break inference. If needed, rerun the pipeline end-to-end and resubmit after those fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.